Good morning. This is Professor Sam from kegman.net, and I'm here to try to clarify some things for you from this 2.5 motorless carbonator to the Godzilla motorless carbonator. Now, we all know that we have 128 ounces in a gallon, and in a 2.5 carbonator, we have capacity of 320 ounces, okay? So, if you want to serve some of your friends, we can serve 80 of your friends, or you can serve 80 of your friends 4-ounce drinks. Or if you have 40 friends, you can serve them an 8-ounce drink. Or if you have 32 friends, you can serve them a 10-ounce drink. Or if you have 26 and 2/3 friends, that's assuming you can serve a 2/3 of a friend a 12-ounce drink, okay? Now, 20 friends, you can serve them 16-ounce drinks. Now, this little baby right here is the 3-gallon motorless carbonator. This has a capacity of 380 fluid ounces, okay? Now, you can serve 96 of your friends 4 ounces, or 48 of your friends 8 ounces, or you can serve 38 and 4/10 of a friend, again, if you can get a 4/10 of a friend, a 10-ounce drink, or you can serve 32 friends 12-ounce drinks, okay? Now, you can serve 26 friends a 16-ounce drink. Now, you get the idea, right? We have the 2.5, we have the 3, we have the 5, and we have the 10, which is the Godzilla. So, how many friends do you really have, huh? How many, if you have a lot of friends, you can serve them, you need this one right here, right? Now, you make the choice. You have 2.5 motorless carbonator, you have the 3, you have the 5, and you have the 10. It's up to you. How many friends do you have, huh? What's in your wallet?